everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Extrude Bose and Cut.
This is tutorial number 3. Mention all the drawing views with required dimensions. Also mention the isometric view, which gives the better idea about the how 3D model looks like. So let's start to create 3D model.
File, new, part, OK. Okay. This is a tutorial 3 drawings view. Where to start? I would like to start this backside rectangle first to create this backside rectangle model, for which for this backside rectangle, which plane should be preferable. So these are the primary plane, front plane, top plane and right plane. Select the plane in such a way when the created model oriented and the orientation view is exactly look like the drawing view. So for this backside rectangle, I choose the right plane, just sketch. Okay, right plane is normal to our screen, and select the rectangle, center rectangle. Center of this rectangle is the origin. Just click and randomly draw the rectangle. Then assign the dimension. Dimension of this is shown in the right side view, 80 by 92. So just smart dimension, select this line, vertical line, and assign the dimension 80 by 92. Okay. Again here provide the radius. Okay, so I just provide the radius in a sketch. To select the fillet, enter the value in 60 millimeter, and select this corner as well as this corner. Okay, here also the circle cut, so I just draw the circle, randomly draw two circle, assign the relation between them, select both by control and provide the relation equal size, and also select the center of this circle with the control and give the relation horizontal. Okay. Smart dimension, assign the dimension. Dimension of this circle is 12 millimeter diameter. Okay, so I just provide the dimension 12. Also give the center distance. Center distance is 60 millimeter. Okay, half of this distance from the origin is 30 millimeter. Okay, this vertical position here show the vertical position from this edge or this line is 64 millimeter. Okay, so again provide the position of the circles, select the circles and line, give the dimension 64 millimeters. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Here you have to see fully defined message. Features, extrude in this direction up to 15 millimeter. Here show the 15 millimeter. Okay, the value assigned 15 millimeter extrude. Okay, so here backside rectangular portion is done. Now moving forward, I would like to draw this close counter. Okay, which is seen in the front view. Either you have in the front view there is a three close counter. This is the upper rectangle, and this close counter, and this is the bottom portions. Okay, so these three close counter you may have to uh, assign in a single sketch, or you have to individually draw the sketch and assign the features. Okay, I would like to only this middle close counter first and extrude it. Okay, so I would like it to select the primary plane. I would like to select the front plane, which is show the middle of the model. Okay, the front plane sketch. Front plane is a normal line. Okay, so randomly I draw the sketch look like as a drawing close counter. Yes. Okay, this is the relationship horizontal line, vertical line. You have to select this line and provide the vertical also. Okay, coincident with this point and assign the dimension. This size is a 15 millimeter. Okay, to select the smart dimension. This is a 15 millimeter. Overall distance is 140 from this edge to the center. Okay, here we consider this close counter. Okay, up to the center of this cylindrical part. Okay, so center of this and this edge distance is 140. So again select this edge and this line, assign the dimension 140. Again this is a 60. Okay, so select this line and this line, 60 millimeter, 60. Then this line is 6 millimeter. This distance is 12 millimeter. Okay, this is the diameter of the cylindrical part. You have to see diameter is 60 millimeter. The size of this line is a 60 millimeter. So I just assign it 6060. Okay, still it's not a fully defined. Okay, it is in under defined conditions. Okay, to provide the other dimensions. Okay, then the height. Okay, this line, okay, this is the height is shown in side view. Okay, the 40 millimeter. I just apply the dimension 40 millimeter. Okay, also provide this dimension because this blue line shows it's still under defined conditions. Okay, so what is the dimension? I just seen in the top view. Okay, so in top view there is a 40 millimeter. So I just provide the dimension 40. Okay, now it's fully defined. Okay, the sketch is drawn in a front plane which is the middle of this model. Okay, so now sketch in this condition. Okay, these positions. The extrude in the both direction half. Okay, up to this portion you have to extrude. Okay, so dimensions the 24 and subtract this 6 millimeter. Okay, now is 18 millimeter. Again this gap is 18 millimeter and remaining portion is 18 millimeter. To extrude up to 3 times 18 millimeter. Okay, the features extrude it. Now the extrude will be happen in one direction. So here condition need to change. Middle plane to sketch in the middle condition and extrude in both the directions half. Okay, and the extrusion distance is 3 times 18 millimeter. Okay, multiply condition you have to apply. Okay, this is 54. Okay, now again in the front view this portion also you have to close counter sketch and extrude and also this. Okay, so I would like to draw to both the close counter in a single sketch and then extrude individually. Okay, So again I would like to select the front plane sketch. Front plane is in the normal conditions, and select this edge, control this edge, and convert into the convert entity. Okay, then select the line. Okay, this to this. Okay, this is the one close counter, and second close counter. Okay, select the line. Okay, so these two close counter drawn in a single sketch. Okay, sketch 3. But the extrusion condition for these two are the different. See in a drawing view. Okay, inside view, the top of extrusion is a 12 millimeter and bottom is extrusion is 18 millimeter. Okay, so both have a extrusion in different conditions. Okay, if you apply directly the extrusion conditions, okay, so both the sketch extrude, but you have to apply the only single dimensions. Okay, so I would select the one by one close counter. So here the selected close counter, I would like to select this upper triangle. Only upper close counter will be extruded. So apply the dimensions. Okay, 12 millimeter. From the front plane, this is half portion, and this okay. Okay. Now again, the sketch previous sketch is hide. So again expand this applied feature. Here the sketch 3. Select it. Again apply the feature extrude boss base. So again in the sketch 3 both the close counter will be extruded. So again select it counter. Okay, I would like to clear these sections and select only this close counter. So only this close counter will be extruded. Apply the condition. Condition is 18 millimeter. Okay. Merge result is on because this is a single part, single body model. Okay. Now it's done. Next step is this cylindrical part. Okay, I would like to draw this cylindrical part. Okay, so again in a front plane I would draw and extrude in the both side. Okay, so again front plane select, sketch this cylindrical part. The center of this is middle of this edge. Select the midpoint and circle it, one circle. Again same center concentric and select the second circle. Okay, apply the dimension. Dimension is 36 diameter and 60. Okay, the smart dimension, this is a 60 millimeter. Okay, already driven dimension, and apply this 36. Okay, the both circle concentric circle is drawn in a front plane conditions. Okay, extrude it, features extrude. So now it's extrude in a middle plane condition, half up both the directions. What is the extrusion dimensions? Is 24 and 18 millimeter, and remaining is 24. Okay, so apply here 24 plus 18 plus 24, total is 66 millimeter. Okay, this. Okay, so here extrude. Okay, now this portion will be removed. Okay, so again select this face of the model, right click and go to sketch. Okay, here sketch. Now this face is normal conditions. Select this circle and convert entity. So here one circle will be drawn. This circle is apply the extrude cut. Okay, up to this phase or throughout extrusions, and you have to apply the distance in the blind conditions. Okay, throughout cut. Okay, now the material is removed. Then again also here the one cut is provided. Okay, to select this flat face, sketch. This face is normal to the screen. Now rectangle. Okay, here the corner rectangle, not a center rectangle. I would like to select the corner rectangle. One corner is with this edge, coincident with this edge, and randomly draw it. Okay, again distance. Yes. Okay, the distance is 24 millimeter from this center. Smart dimension. This line is this edge is the center of the cylindrical. Okay, so I would like to select it and sketch line and apply the dimension 24 millimeter. Okay, again size is 18 millimeter. Okay, then distance from one edge of the cylindrical part, this is the 24. Okay, this is a fully defined sketch. Just extrude cut. Throughout the cut you pull this arrow down, otherwise you have to select the through all conditions, no problem. Okay, so here part is ready. Okay, then you have to check the model view. So I would like to orient it. Okay, so select orientations here, view orientation. This is the front orientation, and select. Okay, the front view of the model is normal to screen, which is exactly look like the drawing view. Here you have to see this. If you want to check the hidden line, okay, to change the display of this model, okay, I would change the display style with the hidden line. Okay, so you have to see the hidden line, which is look like the front view. Okay, also you have to orient and to check the top view of this model, select the top view, and top view look like this. You have to double check with the drawing view also, and orient the side view. Okay, so this is the side view. Okay, I change the display style. Okay, I think you have to understand very well. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.